Yeah, ones and ones. Yeah, upon the car wash and get bed to clean up, you know.
Back at it again, man.
And the one stitch shoot, you know.
Right.
That is it. If you want TV, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And that will work.
Right there, sir. Yeah, man, look out for a lot of things coming, you know?
Yes,
Real, man. Whole heap of things that come your way. Just like, share, subscribe. Right.
Huh? No. I don't know again. I want Spitfire and no, I get no trouble. No.
Spitfire.
Yeah. That is it.
Free water, you know?
Yes, man. Money and child, you know?
Right,
No
yeah.
blockage. Right. So no blockage. You can run. Yeah.
1 June TV and lifestyle, man. No other, man.
The thing is, anything else is uncivilized, man.
Yeah, man.
Left, man.
No local boy body up, man.
When you look around and you look around, you are talking and stuff.
Oh, he good, man. I pay no mind, man. He good, man. I work with him.
Yeah, well. Yeah? I see the man, you know? Map that are bro, map. So, yeah, man, they up on the car wash, you know, go on. Let's clean up, you know? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Donkey have to beard, you know?
Yeah, that.
You can't want beard and a donkey not beard. Donkey are clean.
Cleanliness is godliness. Believe.
Talk to that, you know? Ones and ones, yeah, man. These beds are clean up, you know? That is it. It's good. Yeah, man. I care what you say.
There's a bun in the ring, sha-la-la-la. 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 Once in the morning, I come out, keep my buy honey and tomato and garlic. 2 pound of rice, 2 pound of saltfish. I'm at coming, I'm out some bullshit. I'm a run for.
The ones and ones, you there. You just see a clip you see and go just propose. What do you think about that? The woman give me cheap in your lap. Man just propose. You want to think about that? How you go?
Yeah.
Yeah, ticklish.
Bad.
But now I'm going to riches, you know. But you're not there with a woman for how long. You can't approach a woman with paper about freedom. But you're not married. All off it.
We don't know about that thing. We don't know about that.
You know. Yeah, say, oh, you look.
I just the right time.
Tell me how you look.
I just the right time.
Right. It's not been time still. Yeah.
I just the right time.
It's not been time. Conversation and you're not done yet, you know. Yeah. Stay tuned.
Yeah, and what I know, revenue. Check in, you know.
Sponsorship.
YouTube, they give you all kind of blood tax, sitting, you know. I not get nothing from revenue, but that revenue my butt right now, couple of go top. That's what I mean.
Careers.
Yeah.
Better on that.
Yeah, you know, go check in.
Better on that. Why one carton now and then? You know,
Yeah, no one then. Although I play a dig one a grip sometimes, but fuck that. Sometimes everybody have a hobby, you know.
Yeah, guys to go.
Everybody have a hobby, because we know people don't smoke from them barn and they have cancer.
How that go?
They don't got a clue.
How them catch it?
They don't drink, they don't smoke.
And cancer kill them.
And cancer kill them.
Bitter sweet. That they call bitter sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? But that's life, what we're going to do. To each his own, man.
Real man.
Each his own. Just want to live and live and that's it.
Yeah, that.
Yeah.
I don't say on Saturday I'm going to take it easy. Create some content and something. People them.
Escalate pulling a dead truck.
All over the world. Not only Jamaica.
One dead truck was pulling the escalate. Dead body carried, so I saw it go, I believe, like, then comes a funeral, somebody to bury it together. So, yeah.
All right.
You got one thing I joke. Yeah. Escalate, pull up, funeral, I heard them, I heard. So, what is man? Yeah. Very pretty job. Shambhala down. Yes, sir. The beat get black. With the bleaching, you know, when you bleach and ease off, black it.
The pigments them come back, man. Come back more than
Now
how
they
they
tell
tell
me,
you.
black
Black like a tar, black I'm a prone, you know who me are.
bleach at night time, man.
Shot and no bleach.
Oh, what the rest. Hey, warm him up, warm him up. Warm down, I was there on the road, you know. On the car wash side. Different kind of video, but it was street. Joan TV and lifestyle, it's a part of the lifestyle. If Joan not fly, it's the lifestyle.
Yeah, man. So there are a lot more coming.
So, that is the start. Yeah.
A lot more coming, you know. Look out for you, Philly.
Yeah.
One team link up. Trouble.
Man, not no good. It's good enough, but you know, yeah,
Good, they don't want bad thing.
yeah. Yeah, yes, sir.
Bad, but nobody now want bad. You know we Jamaican dog.
Bad, but you know, bad.
Yeah.
Bad, but it's good.
Wicked.
That is it.
Murder, man. Yeah.
Short, easy, young, listen.
Yeah.
Well, this language is all this one, I say, no, easy, just chop out. Yeah, man, we're going to get a double whopper today.
Right.
Today, we can hang it tight. Lifestyle, that's how we work. When we look at herbs and we think on one store, we're not checking people.
No time.
So, yeah.
Bro, yeah, chat about that thing, yeah, go from Pakistan, bro. I don't want big fucking fuck from Dubai, bro. And then signature on me out in a brother, I'm not to more a problem in a bad man.
Jaja, problem.